Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have my 21 F-150. I'm gonna change out this center dash speaker here. This is something that I don't see a lot of guys doing, but the whole truck already has JL audio in the doors, in all the doors. So I figured might as well do this one as well. I've already removed this just for convenience of the video. There it is. It's a 7mm. So I've gotten it out. I went ahead and disconnected it from the little clip here. Would have been this little tab to free the wires a little bit. What we're gonna do is cut this and solder it to the new speaker. The reason I had to go with, I think it's Dayton audio, because these are an 8-ohm speaker. 8-ohm, 12.5 watt. There's not a lot of 8-ohm options, but it was like $30 on Amazon. So, give me just a second. I'll get the other one out here. We'll get going on it. All right. This is the part. Dayton Audio PS95-8. Here's the driver. What it looks like. Compared to factory unit. Much nicer. On the harness, the wiring diagram I looked up and I took pictures. The black with white stripe, positive. Solid black, negative. Your bigger lug here is going to be positive, and your smaller one is negative. We're gonna solder these on. Now let me get this set up and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna use my Fantic soldering iron here. Pretty neat. Got it on TikTok shop actually. This is my first time using this soldering iron. They're not the prettiest, and this tip is really small. That's what she said. Changes temperature really fast though, I like that. Alright, so ignore the ugly solders. But I did get it plugged in. This mounts differently, as you can tell, than the factory stuff. Probably gonna 3D print some kind of adapter here, which I'm probably gonna go design here in just a second, whip up in Fusion, but we are gonna function test it really quick.